Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to recover your blocked Wise account quickly and easily. First, why was your account blocked? Common reasons include login attempts, security concerns, or missed verification. Don't worry. Let's go through the recovery process step by step. Start by logging into your Wise account. You may need to verify your identity as the first step. Next, follow the prompts to verify your identity, whether via email, phone, or security questions. Once verified, you'll regain access to your account. Remember to keep your credentials secure. If you encounter issues, contact Wise support for assistance. They're here to help. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication to prevent future blockages. Stay informed about Wise's policies to avoid future account issues. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Now, you can unblock your Wise account with confidence. Happy banking! Join us again for more insights and best practices with Wise.